welcome. Today we're taking a look at Fatal Claw. Fatal Claw is an action-adventure side-scrolling platformer, and it does have a photosensitivity warning, but personally I haven't seen too much to cause alarm or concern. Not a ton of flashing lights or anything like that. There's a few. I'm guessing it's because of the background lighting that kind of comes through every once in a while, like through the scenery. But otherwise, I don't think it's too bad. Just checking to make sure all my settings are correct real quick, and let's jump in. Yeah, we'll jump in here. That was kind of what I meant. Like the light, when it came into the game, it sort of lit up behind the character in the in like the stained glass kind of look. So this is the game. Jump. Attack. Attack is X. I'm using a controller. You can see down there in the bottom of the screen, Y and B, those are active skills. Then the bar underneath it is the mana bar. Each segment that fills up gives me a charge of those active skills. Top left is my health, the red gems. Underneath that there are 4 little circles. As those fill up, I can heal myself. 1 gem per circle. And then in the top right is the currency in this game, those green crystals. You can see this guy is terrified, standing behind a spear. A lot of characters to interact with and talk to. This kind of gives me Mega Man vibes, just from the way it handles and controls. It kind of floaty at the top kind of feel. We are right next to a boss fight, but the boss killed me the last time I played it. That's what that little blue cat head icon means. So maybe I should talk about the hub here first. This lets you rest, which heals you up. Your Karox, which is basically your whole system here. Your inventory, mutant abilities. This is what another kind of throwback to Mega Man. You gain these different abilities when you defeat different bosses. You can also gain their active skills, like these. I started with the Crescent Blade. I got Cyteen's countermeasure when I defeated Cyteen. These are passives. I am able to use up to 3 modules. You can see down in the very bottom of the screen, the 3 bars. Use 3 of 3. This one takes up 2. This one takes up 1. So these are just active little, or passive little benefits, like gaining another marble slot, which is what you use to heal yourself. This is basically your talent tree for your basic attacks. You gain those little green crystals that it shows over there, required level 2, and then a green crystal times 1, and you can purchase these little skill tree upgrades for your basic attacks. So far I only have the consecutive attack increase. There's a map. I played through a good portion of the game wishing I could fast travel between these little hubs, and then I did find fast travel portals, so they are in the game. There's not a ton of them that I've seen so far. There's probably maybe another one I've missed somewhere, but we'll see. The archive is something that I've just recently unlocked that keeps track of characters, or keeps track of enemies, characters, areas that you've been to, and objects that you found. The Canic pile, the Canics are those green crystals that you use as the currency. Statues that give you different things, health, mana. This is the one that gives me the ability points if I can find those. And these are the fast travel portals of Van Rien's Gate. You can also crouch. Roll is one of the abilities I got. Is there anything that I can go do right now? It might just be boss time. Yeah, okay. Well, we'll give the boss another try. Some of the objects are destructible, some of them are not. We're going to use these guys just to farm up a little bit of mana to go into the boss fight with. We should get mana back when I touch the cat head. Yeah, I tried jumping off its back. It did not let me do that. Oh, I mistimed that completely. Horrible. You can't stand too close to him. Oh, what a combo. That was me healing up with one of my marbles. Playing this horribly so far. Oh, too close. Oh, see, I was too close to him there. Should probably have healed up through that. Oh. Oh, I went the wrong way. Come on. There we go. Boss is down. Now, when you defeat a boss, you absorb a boss. This is what grants you the various different abilities. Hopefully I get a dash ability out of this. That would be great. That's the one thing that I felt like was lacking in this game. I don't have a means of dashing. Must seal the gate before the infected overrun this place. As for His Majesty, will he be safe? Worry not for him. He is the strongest of us all. I shall remain here guarding this place until his return. Your Grace. This is the first time I think I had one of these cutscenes when I absorbed a boss. Thank you for waking us from 10,000 years of slumber. So I beg of you, do not take this blame upon yourself. I really like the animation in this. Even the gameplay animation, the cinematics are... Nobody has any feet. Did he not have feet? I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch that. Mutant abilities. Alright, it is a dash. Press right trigger in mid-air or on the surface. Mercum's power comes from its explosive leg strength, makes the character swiftly dash on the ground or in the air. Fantastic. I have wanted a dash from the very beginning of this game, man. And then when I unlocked the ability to roll, the ability to roll like that, I was like, oh, maybe I can unlock it later on. Core reactivated, resuming canner drilling and supplying power. Okay. Alright, I turned the power back on in the village. Good. Wow, the sign's flashing again, so bright. Yeah, they kind of, the spoken voice is kind of gibberish, but I don't know. I don't know if it was necessary or not. Sometimes it's annoying. Sometimes it's just kind of funny. Huff Puff, Captain, the drilling site is up and running again, but the noise doesn't sound creepy anymore. It's different. This is what I mean. I like the animation. There's so many layers to the background, and they all go past each other. See, you can see it pivoting, just multiple layers of the background. Nice. That is so necessary, this dash. Oh, that's going to unlock so many new areas for me. Makes sense. Charging Rhino gives us a dash. Destroy that. Sometimes there's crystals in it. Okay. So where did we end up here? Oh, we just went back around, huh? I mean, sure we'll save, but there's no real reason to. These, when you go into the Karoks here, this is also, you have to be at one of them in order to change certain things in your equipped gear and stuff. Okay, so with that open, where do we want to go? Maybe go see if we can open that door? There was water over there, so I know that's the next place we need to go, is at Lake Lumi. Hopefully we can just dash across there. But let's... Oh... Yeah, we'll just venture down real quick and see if there was something down there we could dash across, and that's why I couldn't get to the door. The map shows you the locked red doors as red bars on the map. So... Oh, the dash goes further than I thought. Okay. What was this? Okay. So at least we got some currency. That's blocked off. Yeah. Okay, that was why I couldn't. Inspect. Kinnear, the energy source fueling tomorrow. Origin channels your effort into better tomorrow. Door open. Nice. Don't move. Move. Aw, poor little bat. So this is the guy I've been chasing to try to, as not, I don't want to call it the story. There's no quest or anything associated with it. I ran into him, so I've been following him. I'm sorry I couldn't stop the shady guy. Please get him for me. Be careful, his power is beyond what you can imagine. No real reason to do that, but why not? Yeah, this is a weird little bug that happens sometimes. If you turn directions real quick, on certain surfaces, your character can get stuck. Maybe that's on purpose. Maybe it's to make different surfaces behave differently, but it's, you know, on a game that requires movement and mobility, it's something that, if it's not intentional, needs addressed, for sure. Okay. Okay, I get the photosensitivity warning. Save the world with the aid of the royal treasure. Its power may be humble, but it shall be perfected through you. Seek the golden chamber of fathers and silver chamber of mothers. Okay. I don't know what I'm getting, but I'm very interested to see it. Damaged Silver Claw, an ancient artifact that resonates with many ancient devices, partially functional due to damage. A new talent tree? So do I have a new attack? Interesting. So, boost, dash, expand photo energy. Did you... for some reason, one of these just was very loud. So it's just a tree. I see a little gauge up in the top left by my health. But they're not going to explain to me how to use it, apparently. If a resonating target is present, press right bumper. Okay. Blink allows you to teleport to a resonating silver moon or a monster. Photo energy is consumed when used on a monster, which recharges when you land a hit or take damage. So, okay. Interesting. Okay, so that one just took me backwards. Locked gate. Interesting for sure. There we go. Interesting new mechanic. Oh! Didn't even really see you there. Nope, missed it. Oh. Oh. Okay. So now I have to keep my eyes peeled for those little teleporting... Ouch. Teleporting discs, pads, whatever you want to call them. Man, I'm just not fast enough to get out of the way as soon as they start jumping. I have a dash. That's right, I do. Who would have thought I would run into living ones twice in these dangerous ruins? I am Carbo. I travel the world following Nagaraja's teachings. My mission is to help those in need in every part of the world. May his blessing be with you. Okay. Oh. Oh! I don't know. I thought he was just going to come up in a different spot. Yeah, I can't make that jump. How many directions out of here are there? We don't know. Downwards. Let's go right. A floating letter. Thanks for playing the demo. Okay, so there's... Let's not go that way. I know of at least one more place on the map that I can get to, and that's that lake. Thanks to having the ability to dash. Oh, okay. That's just death down there. Is this also? Okay, the brambles. Interesting. So we can't really go down that way. Can't go to the right. We could go all the way over there to Lake Lumi. Am I able to get back up this way? Yes. It also seems weird to introduce that mechanic for teleporting right here, and then the demo would end. with no real use for it. Oh, I hit the wrong one. There we go, got some health. Can I just go left, or do I need to go up? Yeah, it doesn't really matter, but it's a little bit shorter to go up and left. I'm happy that the dash... Oh, I see. So I can teleport to targets. I think it said that, I just didn't put 2 and 2 together. I was assuming it meant the targets that it was showing me. Can I... No. No, okay, it won't lock onto that. It looks like I could drop down onto it, maybe? No? Yes. There are still things to buy also at the village that I have not purchased, so I know there's still more content in the demo. Just a matter of getting enough currents. Dumb damage, man. Dumb damage. Just a matter of getting enough currency to buy them. I am going the wrong way. We need to go up. And then just up and left. Okay, easy enough. I cannot believe it hit me there. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully we can dash across the lake. But maybe not. It might need to... They said something about swimming. Get our health back. No, okay. There was nothing in sight over there. Come on. This one leads up and back around. We could just return to the village, show you the village, and then call it there. It looks like maybe I was wrong about the lake. There's no way across that. We have to get the ability to swim. I was hoping that the platform was just far away and we could dash to it. I do wonder how big the actual game is going to be if this is just the demo. Oh, because the map is pretty large. And there is a lot of running around. A lot of backtracking, because You've only got one fast travel point that I've found that links you to the village. I still think those hubs that you can rest at could just be the fast travel points. It also costs green gems. I think it was like 50 to travel one way, so it's expensive. Couldn't get through there. I don't think the dash is going to open it up either. No. There was a door that required a green key card. I have not found a green key card though. I don't believe. No. Well, regardless. Here is the village. Oh. That'll open that door that needed the green ID card. I'm collecting data through analysis in order to accomplish something. I'm not quite sure what it's going to do yet. This is the first time I've had enough. Okay, so we lit up a light. You collected all this data. That was faster than I expected. There's so much to sink my teeth into. Where should I start? And I did promise, here, take this gift. It'll be useful. The ability to swim? No. Oh, an extra mana charge. Okay. Okay. We gotta collect 35 now. What did you have? You had some stuff. Lets you see everything on the map menu. Okay, and the other one was a collector. I remember that. So now, let's find the door for the green key card. Maybe there is some more content to still unlock. It should be that one right there. The red bar with the green dot on it. Which we were just up by. Okay, we can get back there. Kill some enemies on the way, get some more currency. That's the wrong way. What am I doing? I do wish sometimes there was a mini-map. I think that would be kind of useful. See ya. Yeah. So through here and then up and to the right. I hope that's the door. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. Identifying the system access level green, confirmed, disarming the security system. Nice, a new area even I haven't seen yet. Okay. Astral Protection. The Ancestor's secret countermeasure against the corrupt specters threatening the kingdom. Generates a barrier for the character. Could have been useful. But I guess that's going to do it since we did not get the ability to swim and we're encroaching on 30 minutes now. Games like this can be a lot of fun, you know, running, jumping, attacking. The visual effects, beautiful. I do feel like they need to do something about, see, I can't do it here, but some of the surfaces on the map, your character can get stuck, which is not great, and like I said, something that needs to be mobile. The game is fun. I mean, there's a lot going on. The storyline's a little bit vague at this point, but it's still early in the game. I don't know how much more content's going to get added. I don't know if there's going to be other playable characters or anything like that. I haven't seen anything about it. But that's going to do it. I would definitely give the demo a try if you're interested in side-scrolling action-adventure platformers. It is a fun game. Just, again, there is a photosensitivity warning, and I guess I understand why. There are a few screen flashes here and there. So, thanks for watching. Like always, we appreciate you.